In this short video, we're going to talk about taste and smell. Both taste and smell are called the chemical senses because their receptors bind chemicals. Yes, they are chemoreceptors. For taste, when we eat food and chew it, the tastant is released and our saliva breaks it down so that the molecule or chemical can migrate into the receptor. For smell, a chemical will waft through the air and then bind to a receptor in our nose. The fancy term for taste is gustation. Now, you may recall from an early biology class that we can discern 5 primary flavors: sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and umami. Interestingly, new research shows that we can also discern water. Now, when you look at the surface of the tongue, you can see some superficial bumps that lie along the surface. Those are called papillae. There are 3 types of papillae: fungiform, foliate, and vallate. The fungiform papillae are located along the tip of the tongue. The foliate papillae are along the side, and the vallate papillae are a single line of papillae about 2/3 back towards the posterior of the tongue. Now, along the papillae are invaginations or indentations where the taste buds reside. As you chew food and your saliva breaks down the chemicals in the food, the tastant will migrate into the taste bud through the taste pore. That molecule will bind to a gustatory receptor and cause that gustatory receptor to fire, and a cranial nerve will take that taste information to the brain. Don't forget that 3 cranial nerves are responsible for taste. The facial nerve innervates about the anterior 2/3 of the tongue, the glossopharyngeal about the posterior 1/3 of the tongue, and then the vagus nerve innervates the epiglottis for taste. The fancy term for smell is olfaction. Now, we can discern about 10 primary odors: fruity citrus, fruity non-citrus, woodsy, floral, leafy, putrid or rotten, pungent. Being able to discern odors is very important to our safety and health. As we stated initially, smell is a chemical sense. Chemoreceptors, more specifically called olfactory receptors, reside within the olfactory epithelium. As a chemical wafts through the air and enters into the nose, it passes along the olfactory epithelium, and it will bind to an olfactory receptor. Once that happens, that receptor will fire and transmit that information to the cranial nerve. Don't forget, the cranial nerve responsible for smell is cranial nerve 1, the olfactory nerve.